tank is going to be for all of the stuff that's going to be mounted to the roof, like the solar panels and whatever else. So, oh yeah, more holes in the van. Okay, got it.
With the heat gun.
What's working best?
Break the. Okay.
He's vlogging.
Plastic tab up here to make the adhesive sticky, all gooey, and then I'll break the plastic tab up here, and then Todd uses the pliers and pulls the other part down through.
All right, well, all the little doodads are out.
Operation install the roof rails. We've got all of our hardware. We got our Butyl tape, lock washers, nuts, washers, screws, couplers, end pieces. Poke little holes. These roof rails came from Vantech. Oh, I guess I should have put. You gotta poke the holes in the Butyl tape.
Yeah, I didn't even do that.
So just a test here, we got the screw, the stuff, the Butyl tape, the hole, and then once we put that in the hole, then we will put Loctite around the threads on the inside, the washer, the locking nut, and the nut. Because you know, we've built a van before. Make sure you pull your Butyl tape off before you poke your screws through, because now the screws are covered, the threads are covered, so we gotta undo this and redo it. See, there's the hole that I poked. I'm just gonna peel this off all together. And then we'll put this Butyl tape back around the screw once the screw is already in the hole. So what I'm doing is making a little ring of Butyl tape. I don't know if you can see that. I bet people, when they watch this, they're gonna cringe. Okay, so that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll tighten it up with the thing. To do, stick up in there, seal that gap. Ta-da!
Snap-on, not sponsored.
Okay, so here we have it. Butyl tape squished down. All the way down. Got the joint. That's in there. Okay, success. And the final step is to put the little black cap on there, which is really tough to get in, so I'm trying to be gentle with it, but the sun is in my face.
Hey y'all! Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time on Aaron and Todd.
So if you guys have ever put roof rails in, let us know what kind of a train wreck we did wrong, how we would have done better, or what you would have done better. Let us know in the comments down below. And if this helped you out, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell to get notified when we post more van content.
Wet Willie!
Oh, God.
Oh, I thought you were doing this the whole time.